Okay, second graders, you are going to practice adding 3-digit numbers again. Remember to start in the ones. Add those 2 numbers. Then if you need to regroup, put your 1 in the tens. Go next door. Add those numbers, including the 1 in the box. Then go to the hundreds. If you need to regroup, put the 1 in the box. Then add the other numbers. So let's get started. You'll notice on the next page, the boxes are not there, the regrouping boxes, so you'll need to add them. If you're having trouble putting them over the hundreds and ones or tens, go ahead and ask an adult to help you. I also like to separate them using these lines. So let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to start in the ones. 6 plus 3 is 9. I did not need to regroup, so I'm going to X out that box. 5 plus 8 is 13. So the 3, it is bigger than 10, so I need to regroup, and 1. 1 plus 2 plus 4 is 8. Let's look at the next one. 9 plus 6 is 15. Go next door and regroup. 7 plus 5 is 12, plus 1 more is 13. Do not forget to add this 1 to these 2 numbers. Regroup because it's bigger than 10. 1 plus 3 is 4, plus 2 more is 6. I'm going to do one more with you, and then I'm going to have you do the rest on your own. 6 plus 8 is 14. 4, regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 7 more is 9. Do not need to regroup, so I'm going to X out that box so I do not get confused. And 5 plus 4 is 9. All right, go ahead and do these last 2 on your own and check with an adult to move on. Go ahead and go on to Seesaw after you're done with those 2 and answer this, do what you understand. Do you have to regroup 10 tens to make 100 to find the sum, or the answer, of 417 plus 273? Explain. Okay, you're going to add, use models if needed. If you need to make your boxes, they need to go over the hundreds, and the ones, like this. So make sure they're over the hundreds and the ones, not over, tens. I keep saying ones. Do not make sure it's over the ones. Make sure it's over the tens and the hundreds. If you need to draw your lines between the hundreds, tens, and ones, you may do that. So 6 plus 3 is 9. I do not need to regroup. 9 plus 4 is 13. 3, regroup the 1. 1 plus 1 plus 2 is 4. Go ahead and do the rest on your own and check with an adult when you are finished. Number 6 says, Melissa found the sum of 127 and 345. What was her mistake? Explain. Here's how you can start your sentence. Melissa's mistake was, and fill in the blank. Melissa's mistake was. What did she forget to do? All right, on to the back. Use the frame to solve. There are 349 people on a boat. 255 people are on another boat. How many people are on both boats? Go ahead and add to solve, and then write your number in the blank. Number 8. 376 bugs are on a tree. That's an important number. Go ahead and circle that number. The next part says 222 more bugs landed on the tree. That's another important number. Circle that number. How many bugs are on the tree? Go ahead and figure out that. You can write an addition sentence like this. 376. And then make sure they're bunk beds. Write 222. Make sure the 2 is under the 6, the 2 is under the 7, the 2 is under the 3. Go ahead and add those to find your answer. And number 9. Choose a 3-digit number between 100 and 400. Add this number to 265. If you need to regroup, explain how you did it. When you are done, check with an adult.